In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remix Plashi duplicate web app project in Lovable.dev easy guide. We'll start right from your browser. Open Google, type Lovable, press enter, and click the Lovable.dev and top get result to head to the site. If you're not already on your dashboard, navigate there so you can see your recent projects. Find the project you want to duplicate or remix. This is the one we're going to copy, and nothing you do in the remix will affect the original. Once you're inside that project's workspace, look to the top left corner for the project title. Click the title to open the project menu. In that menu, select Remix this project. A confirmation dialog will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. Click Remix to confirm. Now sit tight while Lovable creates the copy. You'll see it begin the remix process, and depending on the size and complexity of your app, this can take a little time. When it's done, you'll be taken into the remixed version. This new project is a clean, independent copy, often called a T0 copy, which preserves the current state of your app so you can iterate, rebuild, or try bold changes without risking your original. There are a few important limitations to keep in mind. If your project is connected to Supabase, you cannot remix it. This is a platform restriction. If you see the remix option disabled or you get an error, disconnect the Supabase integration first, then try again. The same rule applies when you're looking at other people's work. You can remix public projects from other users, but only if those projects are not connected to Supabase. A quick note on what remixing actually accomplishes. It doesn't merge or sync changes between copies. Instead, it gives you a fresh environment that starts from the current snapshot of your original. That makes it perfect when builds get messy, you want to test a different architecture, or you need a safe space to prototype without touching production. If you don't see the project title menu or the remix option, double-check that you're in the correct project view and that you have the right permissions. Interface labels may evolve over time, but the workflow is the same. Open the project, use the title menu, choose Remix, confirm, and wait for the build to complete. And that's it. You've successfully remixed your web app in Lovable.dev, giving yourself a clean slate to keep building with confidence.